Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video tutorial on Midgame tactics. This will be the second bot on Pseudosacrifice, and it will be also the last bot. So we have seen the previous bot how using the tactic can save your position. Now sometimes the Pseudosacrifice is also used other than for resolving danger, and it can be used to apply to moves that are purely attacking in nature. So without further ado, let us begin the analysis of this game. So as can be seen in this position, black is attacking, but red has a very powerful defense going on. The cannons are linked, two horses, one chariot. Black would also have two cannons, two horses, one chariot. Red has 4 pawns. Likewise, black has 4 pawns and a full guard. Both colors would have full guard. However, at this point in time, Black's defense is quite solid, and it will be very hard for Black to try to break through. So how can Black use the tactic of a pseudo-sacrifice to infiltrate Red's defense? First of all, he would offer the cannon as a sacrifice, and Red will be forced to capture. But in doing so, the cannons will now be unlinked. Now, is P3 plus 1 a good idea to try to move the cannon to safety? The answer will be no, because after offering a trade-off material, Black will still have a winning position in this situation. So, accept, and now Black will try to capture the cannon. Will be forced to move away. C3 plus 1 is not an option because Black will continue to attack the elephant, threatening the cannon at the same time. And once this move is played, it'll be okay. So C3 plus 1 is not viable, but again, neither would this move be. So Black will gain back lost material. It tries to get reposition his pieces. Also move the chariot into action, perhaps to guard, hoping to get to this flank in time. But Black will simply attack the elephant, and again, Black would have a winning position. So let us regame from the eyes of Black. C1 plus 2, offering a pseudo-sacrifice, capture, and Black immediately goes for the cannon. Moving it away, capture, attacks the elephant, and Black would have a winning position. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video. If you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.